Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short tutorial, we're going to show you how you can share your screen on Opera GX without a black screen on Discord. So if you encounter that issue while streaming your Opera GX sessions on Discord, make sure you keep watching because we're going to show you a simple trick how you can fix that issue. So in the first step, launch Opera GX on your computer and simultaneously launch also the Discord application, log into your account, join a server. So let me join that server here for demonstration purposes. After that, to start streaming, simply join a channel in that server. So let me join that voice channel here for demonstration purposes. And to start streaming, simply click on that button here in the bottom left corner, share your screen. Select Opera GX from that list here. Make some quality adjustments if you like. I will just go live instantaneously by clicking on that button here, go live. And as you can see, my session on Opera GX is being streamed live here on Discord. So no issue, no black screen at all. However, guys, if you encounter that black screen, simply turn off the stream here on Discord by clicking on stop streaming here in the bottom left corner. Head back to Opera GX, and all you will need to do, guys, is make a slight adjustment in your browser settings here in Opera GX. So to access your browser settings, click on that gear icon here on the left hand side. After that, scroll down here in your browser settings till you get to the system section. You may do that by clicking on advanced here at the bottom and by scrolling further down till you get to system just right here. So what you want to do here, guys, is simply turn off or disable hardware or graphics acceleration by switching it off here to the right, and that should fix the issue. After that, relaunch Opera GX and repeat the same process on Discord to start streaming your session on Opera GX without any black screen. And that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.